Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Have you ever felt like your iPhone battery drains way faster than it should? Today, I'll show you a simple trick to find out how to know iPhone battery boosted or not, and you can check it in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and head towards the camera option. Once you find it, open it. Now look for the option called Use Volume Up for Burst and toggle it on. After enabling it, close the settings. Next, open your camera app. Now press and hold the volume key for about 2 minutes. Keep holding it steadily until the time is complete. Once you're done, check your battery percentage. If your battery has dropped unusually fast in this short test, that means your iPhone battery has been boosted. One thing I want to tell you, if battery drains unusually after burst, it might be a sign of boosted battery. It is not confirmed, so keep in mind. And that's how you can easily tell if your iPhone battery is boosted or not. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.